Good evening to all. The 52nd medical term that we'll be discussing today is known as abiotic factor. So, what is abiotic factor? Well, it is a non living, physical, and chemical components of an environment that influences an organism. So, when we look at the survival of species, is not only just the biological self or biological part of the body, but rather all the other environmental factors should influence. Only then any living species can survive. So this includes for humans as well. So what are these non living factors? It can include like sunlight, temperature, water, soil composition, and etc. So this non-living environment should definitely be or have certain characteristics. Like, for example, as I said before, it is non-living, right? Uh, that means inanimate, fundamental to the ecosystem, right? That is physical. Influence on biotics. That is when you say bio, it's living species, right? So because that can affect the food chain. And definitely these abiotic factors should be limited. That is, it should decrease the population size, right? So, what are the examples of these abiotic factors? There are various examples, but the most common one I would say is the climate, aquatic factors, and even the edaphic factors. So, climate factors like sunlight, temperature, of course, the exposure to sunlight, so all related to the weather or the the climatic changes. And climatic changes can influence the metabolic rate. Like for example, if that outside temperature is high, obviously our sweat glands will be activated, isn't it? And there is vasodilation because in order to take away the heat energy. Same way, aquatic factors like water levels, so especially for aquatic species. We're talking in general today, right? Not only for human. Edaphic factors like the soil, that is the soil composition, the soil nutrients, definitely have an influence on the plant growth, isn't it? So, abiotic factor is critical for ecology conservation. So, how the environmental changes, on the pollution, the global warming, all these are influenced by these environmental factors, which is known as the abiotic factor. So, today's topic is a little different. We still fall these under medical terminology because, again, all these environmental factors can influence the health and wellness of an individual.